Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a game pass in Roblox Mobile for Please Donate. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Navigate to the bottom menu and tap the icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines, often called the More menu. From there, select Creations to access your games and experiences. This is where we'll begin setting up your new game pass, which is essential for receiving donations. Next, tap on the game you want to link your game pass to. Look for and select associated items, then navigate to the Passes tab. Here, you'll find the option to create a pass. You'll need to upload an appealing image, give your game pass a concise and descriptive name, and add a short description. This helps players understand what they are purchasing or donating for, making it more engaging. Now, let's set the price for your game pass. After creating it, tap on the newly made pass and select the Sales tab. Toggle the Item for Sale option to On. Then, input your desired Robux amount. Remember, Roblox takes a 30% commission, so if you set a price of 100 Robux, you'll receive 70. Once you've decided on your price, make sure to tap the Save button to apply all your changes. This step is crucial for your game pass to become active. Finally, it's time to see your game pass in action. Launch the Please Donate game on Roblox. Once inside, find an empty stand and claim it. Your newly created game pass, with its set price, will automatically appear on your stand, ready for other players to purchase. Interact with others, share your goals, and encourage them to donate. It's a fantastic way to connect with the community and receive support for your creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.